while dust mopping is able to aid in removing dry dirt and dust from the floor. Wet or damp mopping is needed in order to penetrate heavier soils that stick to the hard surface and liquids that need to be neutralized. Prepare the appropriate cleaning solution in the mopping bucket with a wringer. In most instances, you will either prepare a neutral or all-purpose cleaning solution. Always post caution signs before wet mopping. Place the mop in the cleaning solution. Bring it out until the mop is only damp. Start at the furthest corner and work toward the door. Mop the area lengthwise along the baseboards, then use a figure 8 stroke on the balance of the area. Be careful not to splash baseboards. This could easily leave dirty residue and would require additional cleaning. Once the mop bucket solution becomes visibly soiled, change the solution. When finished, rinse the bucket wringer and allow to air dry. All mops should be rinsed thoroughly or laundered and hung to dry. Never use a musty or malodorous mop to clean. An innovative alternative to damp mopping an area is to use the Motomop Small Area Cleaning Machine by Betco. The Motomop cleans 4 times faster than a mop and bucket and is 38 times more effective in picking up soils than a mop and bucket. The Motomop's engineered design leaves the floor dry, reducing the potential for costly slip and fall accidents.